Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making the TV discoverable and getting devices on the same network. That matters because Chromecast uses local discovery. Once powered, open the TV's network menu and pick the same Wi-Fi your phone or laptop uses. Then sign into Google Home or the TV's setup flow so the Chromecast is registered to your account. This first step eliminates connectivity conflicts and ensures the TV can receive streams. Make sure firmware updates are allowed so setup proceeds smoothly. You now pick the content and send it to the TV. From a phone app, tap the cast icon and select your TV. This creates a direct stream because the TV fetches the media while your device acts as a controller. Once done, adjust playback quality or subtitles in the app to match your bandwidth. If you're on a laptop, use Chrome's menu to cast a tab or your desktop. Casting a tab reduces lag for web video, whereas desktop casting sends everything on screen. You finish by controlling playback and saving the session. Use your phone as a remote to pause, skip, or queue up next items, or grab the TV remote if the manufacturer integrated controls. Once done, stop casting from the cast icon so the TV returns to its home screen. If something goes wrong, first reboot the TV and router to clear network hiccups. Make sure both devices are on the same SSID. As a last resort, perform a factory reset.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.